My lovely friends, so today I'm going to tell you how to make the palav in easy way. I have took all these spices here. You can see jeera, lavang, and you can get these things from the store. Okay, palav patra and cardamom, that is godambi, and this is garlic and ginger paste. And I have chopped here some vegetables. You can see onion, chili, carrot, tomato, beans, and some pulses. Okay, I have took the curd. Okay, so now let's see how to make it in a very chatpat. Okay, so the oil is heated, so I'm going to add all these spices that I have kept, and let us fry for 1 minute. Because the cardamom smell, it's smelling so nice. I have added some ghee and oil. Okay, this is for like freshers. You can get this idea, and I hope you guys can see. And you can get this palav patra items in the stores. Okay, palav patra, lavang, ilachi. So once it's done, I'm going to add the lemon. I'm going to add the onions. Let us fry it till golden brown. Okay. And I have chopped the onions and chilies, green chilies. So I have added the green chilies, and let us fry it until it turns to golden brown. It is just smelling like ghee rice. Okay, so I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to add some pulses that I have kept, and let us fry this until the garlic and the ginger flavor, the raw of it has to come out. So we have to fry it, and you can smell it. It is just like the I can feel the smell, guys. So let me fry it well. Let the raw go out of the ginger and garlic, and let the pulses also get the flavor of ginger, garlic, and the onion, all the stuff. Okay. You guys can just observe, the smell of the onion and the garlic raw will be gone after 2-3 minutes. Nice fry. Okay, I prefer to fry very nicely. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes, and let us just fry this until the tomatoes are mashed up very well, and even the tomatoes raw has to come out. So let us just fry it for another 2 minutes. And just keep the water aside. Okay, whenever it gets dried up, you can add some 3 spoon of water, and then you can fry it very well. Those are mashed up, so I'm going to add some vegetables, and then I'm going to fry it again. You may be thinking, why am I frying every time? So you have to fry the things very well, so that the raw of the vegetables and the spices and whatever, like garlic, ginger, tomato, onions, all the things will come out, and it can give you a nice flavor. Okay, that is the trick that you have to do. Every item you're gonna fry it. So I'm going to fry it for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the curd. Okay, you can even add milk, but I prefer to, I don't eat coconut, so you can add coconut milk or yogurt. So I'm going to add some 2-3 spoons of curd. Okay, and it gives you a khatta meeta, a little bit of yummy taste. So you can add the curd or yogurt or coconut milk, and then let's fry it for another 3-4 minutes. If you guys don't have plenty of time, you can just fry it for 1 minute. I have a plenty of time, so I do it for 2-3 minutes. So I'm going to add the garam masala, selva, Indian spices. So we are going to add the garam masala. If you guys need more masala, you can add more. I'm going to add a little bit because I have added the all spices more, and I'm going to add some biryani masala. If you guys are vegetarian, you can add the thing. And then I'm going to add some chili, okay, to give the good flavor, because I have added red chili powder, and because I have already added green chilies. and I'm going to add some salt. So the vegetables also need to be tasted very well. Okay, so then let us fry it for 1 minute, at least for 1 minute, and then let us pour water and put the rice and take the 2-3 whistles. Then the palav is ready. So the fry is really smelling so good. For 1 cup of rice, you have to add 2 cup of water. So I'm using the normal rice. You guys want this, you can use basmati rice, and you can see how well it is mixed. And I'm going to add some bit of just a half spoon of garam masala or salt or chili. You can taste it now, and then you have to put the whistle for like 2 whistles. It will be cooked very well. So I told you guys to fry it well. If you don't have time, you can just put the whistle, and then like yeah, I'm going to add some I will taste the thing and check whether the salt, everything is good. Instead of that's all, it's done. So finally the vegetable, the yummy vegetable is ready. Even though I have not used the basmati rice, you guys can see how the rice is like, it is so not so it is not so boiled. Okay, you can say this is just like good, and you guys can just try this and add 1 cup of rice and 2.5 glass of water, and then leave it to 10 minutes, and then you can get this kind of a consistency. Guys can see the rice is not so much messy, boiled or overcooked. Okay, it's good. You can, even if it is basmati rice, then it will be more good. So hit like if you like this trick to make the palav in simple way, and subscribe to my channel to get to know more yummy dishes and the taste. Let me just taste the dish and let you know guys how it is. You can even see how the batanis, all the vegetables, spicy, crispy. So I'm gonna taste it, and I'm waiting to eat it. It's really tasty, guys. All the vegetables, all the pulses are very cooked, and it has absorbed the oil flavor. Hit like to my video and subscribe to my channel to get to know more ideas to spicy food and tasty food. If you guys want to do at home, then hit like to my video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to finish this all. So hit like to my video, guys, and subscribe to my channel again. It's really tasty.